So a question I get asked all of the time, like private messages, and I see on forums all of the time too, is what is the widest tyre that you can fit on an Indian Scout Bobber rear rim? So let me flip the camera around and I'm going to show you exactly what I've got fitted to my bike behind me. So this is my 2018 Indian Scout Bobber, and you can see it's far from stock. I've got quite a few modifications now added to my bike since my ownership. If you want to check out what modifications I've got a separate video for that. But for today, I just want to answer two main questions I get asked the most from people, and I always see on forums. So the first question is, what is the widest rear tyre you can put safely on an Indian Scout Bobber rear rim? So let me bring you down here. I've just had this fitted around 7 months ago now. So this is a 180/70 R16 tyre now fitted to my bike. So I've had no issues whatsoever with this size being fitted. Admittedly, it handles far better than what it did before. Another reason I wanted a wider tyre fitted, and you're probably thinking the same thing too with your bike if you've got one of these, is the stock tyre just looks a little bit too skinny when it's like in line with this mudguard. Because we've got such a wide mudguard from stock, the stock tyre just looks a bit too skinny and lost in that gap. But now you can see I've got the 180 width tyre. It fills this gap up absolutely perfect. And if I move the camera around this way, you can just see it changes the look of the bike too. So that's the tyre size to go for, a 180/70 R16 if you're stuck on that. The next question people ask all of the time is, what's the best tyre brand and tyres to go for if you're going to change them? I had the exact same question again. I had to ring up More Speed Racing in Poole, Dorset, and I did write on multiple forums. Most people came back with, definitely get the Avon Cobra Chrome tyres because they're absolutely brilliant, but they are pretty expensive. So I've gone for their advice. I've got both tyres fitted now with Avon Cobra Chromes, as you can see. I love the sidewalls with the Union Jack, and I also love the tread pattern too. I think it's a really nice touch to the bike with the look too. But most importantly, what does it grip like? What does it handle like? And honest to God, I'm not just saying this because I've got these fitted. It has changed the bike completely. I found the minute I had those fitted and I like bedded them in a bit, this grips so much more better than what the stock tyres did. It's unbelievable, and can lean the bike a lot more now with confidence. And yeah, it's just transformed the bike for me. I just 100% recommend getting this done. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say today. It's just a quick video. So if you are new to my channel today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've always got stuff coming up onto the channel, so onboard riding stuff. Any new modification that I buy, I like to try and video it and show you guys how I've done that and how it looks. So yeah, like I said, the modifications that's on this bike, you can see that on a different video that I've posted a while back. But yeah, that was all I wanted to say today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one very soon.